This weekend is a long weekend for us, guys. The Labor Day is, yeah.
Bago po nga level ver, uman me wo de fa nga o. Le mo nga kwa school. Oh boy. Oh baby. Pump it. Oof. That's my man. Good morning, guys. It is a Saturday morning and it's the first Saturday of October, and we are going to the Hyatt, which is a 5-star hotel here in Canberra, to celebrate my sister's birthday. So he's not coming. He's actually at work today. I'm like really flustered trying to do my hair. As you can probably hear, I am sick again. I was just like, I went better for like 1 week. Actually, I don't even know if it went away, but it's an infection, a viral infection. But I'm gonna be on my way now. I gotta go pick up my sister. I got so many baby hairs. I just have like no time for them. And I don't know if you can tell something different about my face, but look. Take a good look at it and tell me what is not there. Yes, my nose ring, I pulled it out. It's like still kind of red. Look at all my freckles, what the heck? But I did pull it out because I've had it for 5 years, and for 5 years I just kept being in denial about my body not accepting it. Like I always had a bubble. The only time I did not have a bubble was like probably the first week that I got it, and then I just kept touching it. It got infected, and then from there the bubble just never went away. I tried everything like that I could find, every medicine that was prescribed to me, and nothing. It just didn't go away. So yesterday I was thinking, by now 5 years it should have been healed and I should have been able to take it out and there still be a hole there. But no, every time it comes out like accidentally, it just blocks quickly. I'm just gonna accept that my body just does not like it. We're here now at the Hyatt. Let's go in. You okay?
Okay.
1, 2, 3, cheese. Happy birthday, mommy. Yeah, everything you.
That's Mum's note. I know, it's so nice and big.
Yeah, and you scoot right in, Mum, too.
I don't like the lighting.
Replace Mum.
Yeah, next to face to me, eh? How about this way?
No, get out, Molly. Both of you, Mum. She don't want you in, Molly.
Mum wants one by herself.
Yeah. Guys, we're here now. So beautiful. There's my dad at the back there. He's at work. Do we get served or do we have to go out?
Amen. What's up, guys? It's your girl Molly, and we're back with another video. Looking so pretty. Still trying to work this camera. We're here to celebrate my sister Pastor Sia's birthday. Come with us. I'll take you on a tour because I don't know where Victoria's gone. This camera is so close, like seriously. Oh, that's why it was so close before.
Mama, get it.
Check it out. Mum's having some healthy food. Look at that. Yum, 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 yum. Let me get the maton.
Guys, I just finished eating my food and I'm so sorry I didn't show you guys because I was hungry. I just went hard. The lady just cleared up all the plates that were around here. So you're going to be seeing a video coming out with me and Molly soon.
And thank you in advance for all the beautiful comments saying I'm so beautiful. I love you, I love you, I love you.
What are you doing? You naughty? Are you Batman? Where's your Batman?
Nothing.
Why? Look at my mum's new phone. She got the Note 10 Plus. I told her to take a photo of me and she took a video. Hey So, how did you like your breakfast?
Very nice.
And Mui? And Lissy? Is that nice? Everyone enjoyed their brekkie?
Yes,
We are.
Yes, we are.
Amo yellow esa mo so.
happy birthday, dear Pastor. Happy birthday to you.
hip. Hooray! Hey guys, I just got home. I got changed. We got Georgie boy here back from work. Hey Zaddy. Zaddy training. Let's watch him train.
This weekend is a long weekend for us, guys. The late birthday is yeah. Hope you guys enjoy this weekend.
Bago po nga le ver, uma me wo le fa nga le. Le nga le kwa ku. Oh boy. Oh baby. Pump it. Oof. That's my man.
First weekend going out. Guess we work every day, guys. Have a breakfast somewhere, drive around, enjoy the weekend.
I'm still trying to get used to this camera, but we're going out for breakfast and I'm so looking forward to some breakfast because I'm so hungry. I'm really tired too. Avocado is so expensive at cafes, so I'm taking my own. Oh, Daddy, stretch those arms. Zaddy.
I got a hot chocolate because of my baby.
And I got a chai. Yummy. I knew it was so right of me to bring my own avo. Yeah, you have the other side. There you go. There's mine. What else is eating? Yeah, cake. We're here at Floriade now. We got our camping chairs. We got Mummy, Molly, Sia. Oh my gosh, this is such a hike. Oh God. Hello. Wow, it's so beautiful, guys. Floriade. I can't see anything. Oh, those purple ones are so beautiful. Look, guys. Look how comfy those hammocks look.
Yeah.
It's so comfy, yeah. I'm just here for the food. Where's the food at? That is so awesome. Donut. Can I please get 2 for 10? I know, right?
I'll just grab you some sticks.
Oh my god, yum. These smell so good.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, it smells divine.
Thumbnails. Thumbnails.
Thumbnail? Oh. No, this is not the thumbnail. This would be so much more relaxing if she wasn't screaming her lungs off. Hello, little cute boy. Do you miss coming to my house? Oi, Aussie, show us your food.
Got bones.
Look at Aussie's decorations of his food. Why did you decorate it like that?
Look like a master chef.
Oh.
I'll bite bones and you see it, guys. Yummy.
Guys, look, we got a little friend here. Look.
I just got a haircut.
Is that nice?
Yes.
Oh, do you look beautiful?
Yes.
Do you look like a princess?
No.
Oh, what do you look like?
I look like Abena.
Ah, okay.
Hey,
You look like what?
Ricky.
Yeah.
She said I'm an ice cream chocolate.
He's lying.
You look like what?
I look like
Ebenezer.
Ebenezer.
Okay, I'm sorry.
What does Aussie look like?
A banana.
I look like a banana.
Yes.
Why?
Why?
Because.
Eben looks like a airplane.
What? An aeroplane? Hey, I'm not an aeroplane. You're a bus. The cars are so annoying on me.
Those guys are so annoying on me. Hey, Olivia kama makua here. Are you fia kama makua?
Hey,
Hey, what?
oh see?
What?
Look at someone down cool.
Morning, guys. It is another day. Today is Sunday. Today we didn't go to church just because I haven't been well. Yesterday I didn't go to bed until 5 and Aussie didn't go to bed either. Just looking after. We've been trying to kill all these insects and Aussie stayed up looking after me as well. I just could not stop coughing. My ribs are hurting from coughing. We had our own little prayer session at home. We had church at home. Church is the people, church is not a building. So I've just been sitting outside. Oh gosh, I'm Stella, just talking about it. Getting some vitamin D because I am vitamin D deficient. I'm trying to help me get better, you know, sweat out some toxins and the other stuff. So I've got this wrapped around my neck because my mum does this when we're sick. She did it for me last night as well. When I went over, she looked after me, my mummy. It helps to make you stop coughing, so that's what I do now. It's very hot out here. It's starting to get very hot. It's spring in Canberra. We hardly ever utilize this area, this nook. I got my washing at the back there. We've been trying to kill all these little bugs out here because I don't want them there. And on the washing line, there's like little spider webs all over the pegs. So I sprayed them, even though I know it's their natural habitat, but like, don't be natural habitating on my clothes, mate. Do you see them? They're everywhere, but they're dead now. Except for that one. That one was playing dead before. Don't worry, I'm gonna get you. Oh my gosh, that's the mummy one. That one just came out of nowhere. That's a big one. Oh, you guys. So a couple of weeks ago, we filmed the order, whatever the person in front of us ordered, and we only went for one round, and there was just too much food, and then we're like, could not be bothered. So we're gonna do it again, but this time we'll do it properly. I look so chubby when it's on the side. Well, I am chubby, but Aussie's so disappointed. Look, he's still wearing his mum's armoire.
Win or lose, still proud for some more.
Apparently, if you have 30 minutes of direct sunlight every day, that really helps to increase the deficiency of vitamin D. Look, here's a peacock. Head bob, head bob.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Joji. I'm just doing a workout today. After the church, we're doing a church inside our house. So yeah, it's good. If you stay healthy, stay fit.
It's like green and everything's starting to come out now. See? We just need to do some weeding tomorrow.